Hello. Today we're looking at some basic things that you need to consider as an engineering student. The reason why most engineering students don't succeed after school is because they don't set the base. The foundation is not there. You don't expect to have a degree and just come out and then they employ you. You start handling big projects, and in fact, things don't happen like that. Even if it's a miracle, you must pray first before it comes to pass. When you're in school, you need to start creating connection. Take your internship very serious. The first thing that is contributing to the failure of many students, many engineering students in particular, I'm talking as an engineer and I'm talking with experience. It's something I've experienced. I'm talking out of experience. Most engineering students, they don't have that foundation, and that's the beginning of failure. You go for internship, you are not serious. They give you assignments you want people to do. Like someone is doing building, they give you an assignment. Come up with a plan of draw a plan for a G+2 building. Dimension it, make the estimate. You go out there, look for someone that is already practicing engineering. You go pay the person, and the person executes everything. You go and present, you have A grade. Yeah, they write the A grade on your certificate, put it on your transcript. Yeah, they will, when somebody picks up your transcript, they know this man is a serious man, he's tough, he's this, that. But now when you give a small exercise that, okay, design me this bungalow, you cannot design even a small bungalow of 4 rooms and maybe a parlor, dining, and a bedroom. Dining, bedroom, in fact, it's really a type. It's really a type. So the first thing is that you need to concentrate on the practical part, and if you take your internship seriously, create connection and master what you have done in school. Mastery means that after school, after validating the course, after taking the course, you go an extra mile. There's YouTube, there's Google, and so on, that you can make a lot of research and empower yourself, equip yourself, so that when you leave school with the connection that I've already created during internship and other people, they will recommend you, and most people will even want to work with you when you do internship in a place and you're serious. I'm talking out of experience, like where I did internship in 2016. When I went back there after school, like everybody was like, "No, come and work with me, come and work with me." It's not because I'm too intelligent or I'm a genius and so on. It's because I mastered the system. I know what is needed. All that, those stuff, that those theories that you do in school and so on, when you leave school, when you're out of school, you need to pack that aside. First of all, study the real world. You don't go, you're doing computer, you just say that, okay, the RAM of the computer, this, it works on this, it works on this, the monitor is this one is, then at the end, you know all those things, but that's not what they need. Somebody like a client or a customer, he has a problem. Someone that is doing maybe a documentation, he has a problem, his machine is not printing. He wants you to make the machine to print. He does not need all that literature, like, okay, for your machine to print, you need to connect the printer cable, you need to do this machine is doing this because of this. All that one like that, you can discuss that one with your village people or with your classmates. It's not necessary. What they need is solve the problem. If you can solve the problem and the machine is able to print, that is all. That's what they need. That's what the job market needs. You don't go explaining things up and down and so on. When you come out, adapt to your society, solve real societal problems, and for you to grow, you must identify the problems in your society and solve them. As an engineer, no matter how you delay, your destiny delays, it must surely come to pass. One day your day will break, and you yourself, you'll be surprised that, am I the one executing these projects, am I the one doing this, am I the one doing this and that. In fact, they're calling me up and down, I'm not selecting jobs to do. That is the secret. If you do that and you master it, you follow it, and you're patient, hard work must pay. Hard work always pays. No matter how it delays, it's going to pay you one day. And Don't be in a haste. Not all that glitters is gold. You don't just go out there, you see how people are executing shanties and so on, you want to hear it, this and that. You get yourself into trouble, and at the end you end up in the prison, or maybe they will even kill you, or you go and construct a house that is stable. Maybe in the course of construction, the house, a wall collapses and falls on you, or kills, if somebody happens to die in the shanty, that's the beginning of failure. But if you are patient, you follow it step by step, get the experience, face the real world, and calm down yourself, keep the book aside and the certificate. Use use what is necessary, and apply what is necessary. And don't think that because you have overgone to school, you challenge people. You don't challenge people, because experience is the best teacher. You know that, okay, you can build this house with this number of blocks, this number of bags of cement, all that, and so on and so forth. It's till when you build that house that you know that you'll be able to confirm whether the number, that estimate, can be able to run that project or not. Thank you very much. I remain your home servant, K Global Tech, your GIS plug. See you in the next video. Bye bye.